In a large pot, you want to add some water and then bring it to a boil. And then you want to add in your noodles. And then I'm just going to add in some salt. And then I'm just going to cook this until it's nice and tender. Okay, the last 4 or 5 minutes of cooking, I'm going to add in the snap peas. And then it just depends on how crispy you want your snap peas. If you want it really crispy, then I'll probably just say cook it for about 2 minutes. After, you want to reserve about ½ cup of the pasta water, and then you go ahead and drain the rest. In a large skillet, I'm going to add in the chopped bacons. Okay, once the bacon is nice and crispy, I'm just going to remove them onto a plate lined with paper towel. I love bacons. Are you guys bacon fans just like me? Okay, in the same pan, you want to wipe it up and clean it up. And then I'm just going to add in the butter. And then I'm just going to cook this until it melts. Okay, once the butter is nice and melted, I'm going to add in the heavy cream, along with some salt and garlic powder, and also some freshly cracked black pepper. And then I'm just going to go in and give it a quick stir. And I am cooking this on medium heat. I'm just going to cook this for about 1 minute. And then I'm going to add in the Parmesan cheese. And then I'm just going to cook this until the cheese melts. And then at this point, you can also go ahead and taste for any seasoning. But for me, this is perfect. Okay, once the cheese is nice and melted, I'm going to add in the cooked pasta with the peas. And then along with the cooked chicken. And then I did use rotisserie chicken, but you can use any cooked chicken that you would like. And then I'm also going to add in 1 cup of the Parmesan cheese. And then I'm just going to give them all a nice toss to combine everything well. And then for the pasta water that we saved earlier, I'm just going to add about a couple tablespoons. Just to thin it out a little bit. And add as much as you need.